the cheapest, easiest and fastest way to use Sora to generate all kinds of videos. For example, here we'll generate some UGC ads, and with this system you can generate videos like this one.
I love how this portable blender lets me mix fresh smoothies right before class. The fast blending saves me so much time.
And this one.
Using this lamp really helps protect my eyes when I'm studying late, and I've actually been sleeping better since I started. No more headaches from staring at my notes in the dark.
So let's go straight into the workflow. To not waste your time, no fluff, let's get going. So first we got the scheduler here. It will run once per day, but as you can see you can adjust this pretty easily. Then we have the Airtable node where we basically fetch our new records. And if you don't know what Airtable is, it's very similar to Google Sheets. So we have our rows and columns here. We got the product, we got the product photo, the benefits and features, the ideal customer or ICP, and the scene context. This is the context that we'll give to Sora to generate our UGC ads. And the result will pop up right here as a link to the video that we'll get. By the way, the workflow and Airtable template will be in the description, so you can download them and just copy paste them or duplicate them, so you don't have to waste any time configuring this. And to connect to Airtable, of course, you need an API key or token. I won't show you how to do it in this video because I'll make a separate dedicated video to connecting our major tools and platforms to n8n. But of course, there are many 1-minute tutorials on the internet, so you can quickly check how it's done. You can also ask ChatGPT or Claude. It's like pretty easy. Okay, let's say you've connected your Airtable. Here we fetch the scene details. We got to the AI agent here. For IOM, we're using OpenAI GPT 4.0 mini just for the purpose of this demo. Then as a prompt, we have our user prompt, which is basically where we pass the variables, and we have a system prompt for more context for the AI agent. Here we tell the row, the task, the resources that we'll provide to him, and other useful context and reproduction steps, so we got the best results. Yeah, we can talk about prompt engineering tips in other videos, so now let's just continue. Next, we have an HTTP node where we basically use a service called Key AI to use Sora 2. And if you haven't heard about Key AI, it's basically a service which provides us all of the image and video generation models, something like OpenRouter, but with image and video generation models. So it's pretty cheap, it's pretty easy to use, I really like it. As you can see, you have all the major image and video generation models. I'll show you how to configure Key AI in separate video as I said, but again, it's pretty easy, there are a lot of tutorials. What we're sending here is basically the prompt that the AI agent gave us, but we cut the new lines because if we send the prompt with new lines, the model will just throw an error. And also we send an image of the product. After that, we wait 10 seconds. So we got here in a loop of waiting because for these video generation models to work, they just need more time. And here we cycle forth and back until our video is ready. Here is the part where we ask if our video is ready. And if KIA says no, it's still generating, we go right back here, we wait 10 seconds and we just ask again until it's ready. And when it's ready, we just add the result in Airtable. So we are using the ID to match and we add the result as a separate link. So as you see, I have prepared 2 test records here. Let's run the system and let's see how it performs. Okay, running the system. Okay, our system finished the run successfully, so let's see the results. We can download them from those links here.
I love how this portable blender lets me mix fresh smoothies right before class. The fast blending saves me so much time.
Using this lamp really helps protect my eyes when I'm studying late, and I've actually been sleeping better since I started. No more headaches from staring at my notes in the dark. It's a small thing, but it makes these nights a lot easier.
As you saw, very decent UGC ads, and imagine what will be the image generation models in like 6 months or 1 year, because they're developing every single day. So that will be it. Cheap, fast and reliable workflow to generate videos with Sora 2. I appreciate you guys staying to the end, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell for new videos like this. Again, the templates for Airtable and Anyten will be in the description. If you have any questions or troubles setting this up, let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks for your time and see you in the next one.